Hi, this is Gleb Alexandrov and the new website called creativeshrimp.com. Visit it. Today in this tutorial we're gonna talk about how to scan your face and turn it into a 3D pumpkin. And the hardest part is not laugh while shooting. We'll need a camera, the blender. Of course we need a blender. An ability to sit still and don't laugh for a while. This is very hard. And we'll need an internet and 123D Catch software by Autodesk. Autodesk and 123D Catch, what is it actually? This all we need to know. And of course we know about Autodesk, don't we? This software takes our photos as an input and then reconstructs the 3D model. First, let's set up the camera. Few camera tips: no automatic mode, just a manual mode, fixed exposure. The photo should be very sharp and don't touch the zoom, ever. When ask someone to shoot you and make it something between 20 and 50 photos, make stupid face and sit still for 5 minutes. It's a freaking hard, believe me. Ask your friend or your parents to shoot you from different angles, but don't touch zoom. I'd like to repeat it one more time. Then open 123dapp.com/catch and either download the PC version of this software or just launch the online version. It's up to you. I'm downloading 123D Catch because it's easier for me to have a desktop application. Then launch it, create an empty project, create a new capture, press File, New, upload your photos, then click OK, and we get a bug. You know, after all, it's Autodesk. We get a bug here. Press OK one more time, and then capture finishes. We can see the 3D model that it generated for us. We can choose the mesh quality in the Generate Mesh menu. Then click File, Export to export it to OBJ or the FBX. Then open Blender. This is the most interesting part, and import your OBJ file. But we need not only our face but a pumpkin, so download pumpkin from blendswap.com or just model your own pumpkin. Then cut your face. Go to edit mode, hit Ctrl and drag your mouse to create a lasso selection, hit Ctrl and I to invert selection and delete everything. Now I'm going to position pumpkin to a face, then sculpt the hell out of it. That's the fun part. Activate dynamic topology to not worry about topology at all, then sculpt something. Consider it to be a freestyle part of this tutorial. Okay, now let's set up dramatic lighting, because you know we're making a Halloween character. Turn off the lights and create an area light, place it over your model so it creates very long and creepy shadows. It is our main light or a key light. So let's create an additional light. Make it a bluish color and position it at the side of the model to get a rim light. What else? Let's make pumpkin look like pumpkin by creating an orange material. You can see that my pumpkin consists of two materials, the inner and the outer one. The inner one is nothing more than a diffuse shader with the orange color, which I've mixed a bit of subsurface scattering and a bit of a glossy finish on top of it. The exterior parts is a diffuse plus glossy mix and slightly reddish color to separate these two parts of the model. And what I want to say is that you've just made a pumpkin with your face, and I've made a pumpkin with my face, and it's freaking scary to me. That wasn't too hard. We used different techniques to get the result that we want. And that means we reached the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching. It was Gleb Alexandrov. Feel free to visit me at creativeshrimp.com. It is my new website. Thanks one more time and see ya.